Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Wise account. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the security or account security section to find the options for two-factor authentication. Step 3. Choose your 2FA method. Select the method you prefer for two-factor authentication. This could be via an authentication app like Google Authenticator or SMS text messages. Step 4. Set up the 2FA. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen 2FA method. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code provided or enter the setup key manually. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up, you will typically be asked to verify the 2FA by entering a code sent to your chosen method. Once verified, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wise account with two-factor authentication.